Yes, yeah, the package is finally here, guys. Woo, you guys are gonna love this. Yes, they are here. Shout out to Matmetrics. Guys, I got some new floor mats. You guys are gonna love it. This is an unboxing video. Hit the intro. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Once again, shout out to Matmetrics. I'm super appreciative of this company. For the people who are new to this channel, Matmetrics is one of the first sponsors of the boostinmotion family about 2 to 3 years ago. They hit me up. They said we got some really good high quality mats, all season, all weather mats for your car. High quality, handmade, handcrafted. So we want to send them out and we want you to do a review on them. So thank you, Matmetrics, for sending me this. And it's also, I want to sit there and say this. When you make relationships with these bigger companies and you take care of them, they take care of you. So guys, because they took care of the boostinmotion family, below I'm going to put a link to their website. So you can look for car mats, all season mats, for any make and model of your car, and they're shipped right to your door. But anyway, guys, let me just open this up because of the magic of the internet, you don't have to see the unboxing. All right, we're back. So comes in this nice big box and they fold everything for you. So they do have different series of mats. Hopefully I do have a video on the different type of series that they use. From the last one I used on my Q50, but this one I'm going with the sport series. I think this one flows a lot better with the car. So ooh, yeah, they even gave me a little face mask. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for the face mask. All right, now you guys do remember I do have the coupe, the Q60. Wow, they actually gave me nice little seat things too, or what is it called again? You guys will comment below and say what they are. They go right between the seats, so if you lose anything such as, you know, french fries, money, condoms, you know, you gotta put that there. They also gave me some nice little stickers. Shout out to you guys, man. I appreciate you, Matmetrics, for that. Now, let me just get this all out on the top of the table because, you know, it's all stuck together. But anyways, let's go. Alright guys, so let's talk about these Matmetrics mats. Let's get to it. So, number one, there's different series that they sell. I went with the one with the lines going across because I think it fits the Q60 lines a lot better than the cubics. Now the cubics are the mats that have the little squares. So I do have a video with an unboxing. I'll put that link above if you like the cubics. But it's the same quality, just a different design. Now you can choose to purchase these leather mats. Hopefully you guys are hearing what I'm saying. Leather handcrafted mats. You can choose to purchase this in the driver passenger side, a driver passenger side with a detachable mat. We'll get to this real quickly, right? Also this whole set with this also too. This is the rear section, which we're gonna showcase later. But anyways, so you guys want to look over it. Let's talk about this top mat. And this is what I noticed that other manufacturers of mats don't do. This is a detachable mat that's supposed to catch all the rock and debris and glass. So anything that's on the bottom of your sneakers, boots, or if you, let's just say, if you didn't have this here, you'll be scratching this up. Salt, debris, everything is going to affect this, and sooner or later it's going to break down, and that's it. You spent money on mats just to have to replace them. So Matmetrics decided to make a detachable mat that goes on top of it, a rugged mat. And you can wash this, so all that debris that runs off your sneakers and boots go into this. You can wash this, hit it with a garden hose, and most of that material will be removed. Or you can choose to rock it without the mat, right? And of course, you know, that's a bit more stylish. I know what you mean. I understand, you know. But if you're going to live your life like this, you must be Jesus, because you're going to scratch those mats up unless you walk around with socks on. But anyways, that was kind of a funny joke. Second, I definitely like this though. I definitely like this a lot. Second, they also make these little, you see these little buttons here? There's little buttons and clips. When you go to install on the car, which later in a separate video I'm going to show you guys, this is supposed to slide in under the plastic molding pieces in our cars, so it can hook up under those specific areas, okay? Cool. And I like these little intricate details and stuff like that. It's cool. I like this stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Okay, cool. Now we're on the passenger side. Same design. You see the same mechanisms to lock it in under the plastic moldings. It's going to be on both. Same thing here. I noticed this one has 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, rather than like this one where it just has 2. I guess because the way the mat sits in the car, you don't need it to go all the way up compared to this one. It goes all the way up. So they have 3 clips here. Let me just remove that. Okay. You guys can take a look. Also, remember, this stuff is washable. You can definitely hit it with water and everything like that. Definitely could do that. Okay. I like this a lot too. I kind of wish they did. I think I said this in the last video. Kind of wish they put that over there too. You know, flex. But I guess this is a little bit better flex. Also, this is super good because your feet are gonna usually sit here. So they thought about if they left it like this, sooner or later it will start rubbing away with the bottom of your sneaker or boot, and you'll start seeing small, smaller little areas that will start to build up because you're rubbing the same area. This actually prevents that on the driver's side because guess what? If this is nice and soft, this is actually really soft too, they'll never rub away. So I think they put a lot of time and thought into the things. Now I realize a lot of other mat companies don't do that, so I'm glad that I went with them two years ago, but I'm glad I'm going with them again. Also same thing here, but let me show off the back mats. Now moving forward, we're going to the back mats. This will be the driver rear and this will be the passenger rear. It's gonna be very short. Once again, the same detachable mats, even though in the coupes no one really sits back there, but if you choose to want to have the collapsible material to protect the leather, you can definitely go with this. Same thing on this one, same material, same design. This is for the tunnel area that goes across, and this stuff slides right under the seat. And the same thing with these, once again, by the side moldings, by the plastic moldings, by the car. So once again, these are the back section. Not a lot of people are gonna be behind the coupes. So listen, at the end of the day, guys, should you get the full set, it's really up to you. But in this case, I'm gonna, of course, install all of it. I mean, if I have a baby in the back, then hey, it is what it is. But I've been pulling it out my whole life. But outside of that, let me close out this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.